These are the equipment, which are scissors and plant. Then we use the scissors to cut the branches of the plant like this.
This is the equipment that we needed, a knife and a plant. First, we need to choose the branches that we like to cut and cut it using the knife.
First of all, we place the specimen or the plant leaf on half side of the paper, like is shown here in the video. After that, we cover the specimen fully by newspaper and then binding the four edges by using the sellotape. This is to prevent the fungus or insect from damaging the specimen. This is how it looks like before we press it. In order to get a complete and wonderful herbarium, I prefer using heavy object, for example a small table, while my friend used heavy goods in her house.
After we cut the plant, we rinse it with water to wash away the dirt and mud. Then, we wipe the plant with tissue. After that, we place the plants on newspaper or tissue and wait until they are completely dry. Put stones or something heavy at each corner so that the paper will not blow away. We dry our plants because specimens look best when dry, and we also want to prevent the fungus from growing on it.
Assalamualaikum. For today, I want to present about the second method that we use to dry the leaf immediately. First of all, we prepare the hot iron without no steam, the leaf and a sheet of paper. Okay. First, we put the leaf in the sheet and iron the paper. Okay, like this. We iron the paper at least 1 minute. Okay, then we observe the leaf. We observe the leaf and we see the leaf still glittery, not dry. Okay, so we iron again for the second time. Okay, we iron for 30 seconds. Okay, now we look the leaf. The leaf look dry, and when we press it, it's koyak. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
And now I will proceed with the next slide, with the next part of the presentation. Before that, what is exactly is the importance of herbarium? Herbarium document provide a constant and permanent record of botanical diversity. Its role is increasingly important as the rate of habitat destruction increases and climate change precipitate rapid changes in species range and all aspects of their ecology. And basically, what is precaution? Firstly, it is care taken in advance, that is foresight warned of the need for precaution. Second, a measure taken beforehand to prevent harm or secure good, that is like a safeguard, take the necessary precaution. Now let's go into the precaution step while doing the herbarium. First and foremost is place. The plant in the press should be dried fairly quickly in a warm place if possible. Next, paper. The specimen must not be left in damp papers or they will go moldy. And moldy is covered with a fungal growth which causes decay due to age or damp conditions. And last but not least is the process. It is therefore necessary to go through the press daily during the first few days and change the plants into dry use paper.